What's up, guys? So today we are building a raised planter box for Jacqueline's garden. Our plan is to just, grow some potatoes, some carrots, some celery. I don't really know like what all we're gonna grow, but I hope maybe some of those things. But yeah, so we just picked up all the wood at Home Depot, and we're headed back home now to start on the project. So I'm gonna walk you through step by step what wood you need to buy and what measurements you need. Our planter box, right? Excuse my, amazing artwork. We're gonna make it 4 planks high, kind of a good height to do it. So we're gonna draw out like a little bill of materials, so when you go to Home Depot, Lowe's, really easy to just pick up the quantity of planks you need and everything. Use 2x6s, and that's what these pieces are here. These 4 here are gonna be 2x6, and same on the sides. We're gonna make it 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. Basically, doing these dimensions, use the minimal amount of wood as far as waste, because these are nominal sizes of wood that they sell at Home Depot. So we're gonna have a 2x6x8 foot length. So a quantity of 8 of those. For the sides, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 4 feet long, so that's half of an 8-foot one. So we really just need 4 of those. We really just need 12 of them total. So that would be all of the sides all the way around. Drawn in kind of like these structural parts to hold everything together. And the best thing to use for these corner pieces and the middle support are gonna be a 4x4 inch nominal. This is how you calculate the height of this box. It says 2x6. It's talking about the kind of like the section of the piece of wood. So it's saying this would be 2 and this would be 6, and that's like how the wood spans. They call it a 2x6, but that's the nominal measurement. So in carpentry, the term nominal, they have a term actual. So they call it a 2x6, but when they put it on the mill and they end up cutting it, it's actually a little bit different of a dimension. So it actually comes out to be, if you look online, there's actually a conversion. It's 5.5 by actual wood size that you'll get from Home Depot when you buy it. So we're buying 4 2x6s, but it's actually a 5.5 inch approximately. So we'll take that 5.5 times 4 out to I think 22 inches. So 22 inches, so almost 2 feet high. And this is like a very ergonomic height for like bending over and gardening and stuff. So that's a good height to go with. The length of these frame, the 4x4 frame pieces that we're gonna need. So we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. 6 times 22 inches, 12 feet. So that we're able to get the cuts for all these different 4x4 frame pieces. These are basically gonna go all the way down your box like that. You're gonna hold together the boards that are going laterally and longitudinally. You're gonna put screws down into each board. And we're also gonna need some screws, 2.5 inch length, like exterior deck screw. That'll pretty much do it. Here I'm making my measurement and cutting the 8-foot long board straight into half, so I have my 4-foot sections for the sides of the planter box. Here I'm taking measurements to cut the 4x4 posts that will be the structural components of the planter box. So you've got your 4x4 support posts, 4-foot long 2x6s for the sides. You want to start building your planter box pretty much where you want it to end up at the end of the day, because it's pretty heavy to move around once it's all assembled. I'm basically screwing the ends of the boards together and also into the 4x4 posts and the corners. This will ensure that the planter box is square. Here I'm adding a overhanging lip to the top of the planter box. This really serves two purposes, just mainly for aesthetics, and also can be a comfortable place to sit, or maybe, you know, put some items down when you're gardening as kind of like a stand. I also stapled some plastic sheeting to the interior. This served as a moisture barrier to stop wood rot, and also stops any soil contamination from the wood and the wood treatment itself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and good luck to you building your planter box. If you have any specific questions, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to answer. Have a good one.